Okay, so I think it's recording. I'm making a video for my phone. It's probably gonna come out really bad. But yeah, I've made like 10 on the computer. Didn't want to save, so I just did that. But yeah, I'm getting tired of holding the phone already. It's been like 10 seconds. Whatever, I get tired of it. So, I just want to say that I love you, and I'm glad you've been with me for these 4 months, because I've been really happy with you. You're just amazing. You really are. And I don't know why my voice sounds weird. I'm sorry. It's like 5 in the morning, 4, I don't know. But I want you to know that I love you, and I don't want to lose you. And you're so cute. I don't know why. You're so cute. It's like not fair, but yeah. Yeah, I love you, Christian Tapia. And I hope you're happy with me too, because I try to make you happy, and I don't know, I should just shut up already. Yeah, I'm awkward. I don't know why, but is this video awkward? I don't know. Kind of. I don't know. Yeah. You just texted me, but I can't see it because I'm recording a video on my phone because I have cheap computers. But it's okay, because I'm bored. I have nothing better to do, so yeah. I guess I'll finish this now. I love you a lot, and I'm trying to do a heart with my hand, but my other hand's holding the phone, so that's not gonna work. Love you. Bye.